Hello and welcome to this video about the Wadia 861, probably one of the best C players ever made. In my books it's Wadia 16 and this Wadia 861, they're two at the very top. I also like one of the Krell's 28C, but I've never had the 25C, which is probably even better. Anyway, the issue with this player was that it wouldn't work because the owner was replacing capacitors. He had a buzz in one of the channels, I don't know, left or right. And he kept replacing those three capacitors and he damaged the board. This has now been fixed, the CD player works. But the issue of the buzz was not with these, but with surface mounts, which, as you can see, there's plenty of. So, interestingly, as I said before, because I've done part of the video about it, that one is good, these are bad, these are very bad, all these in the middle are good, and the four at the top are bad. And when I say bad, these here, which are 10 micro over 35 volts, have high ESR, very high, you know, like 10 to 20, 30 ohms. But all these here are open circuit, and I started removing them. I removed a couple of them, and this is how they look like. This is how it looks like, that capacitors. You know, for comparison, this is a new capacitor, and that's the spot. It's all leaked out and corroded, and the same thing there. The tracks are eaten away, you know, and I'm not sure if I should even proceed, whether I should give it to people to pace assembly to repair that area there, because you know, I can probably salvage those tracks here, but I mean, if there's just too much to do. I mean, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 30 capacitors, almost, you know, it's like at least 25. So it's just too many to you know, fart about with this kind of work. So I will seek an opinion of a guy who used to do that professionally, and to see if it is worth trying to do them, or maybe he needs to repair the board. Never seen that before. You would think that heat from regulators affected these, but these are 10 over 35, and the 10 over 35 are just fine around those regulators. So I think this is the area that sort of must have suffered either at soldering, I don't know. Couldn't have too much heat because the heat is distributed evenly. I have no idea, maybe some wrong paste or something that corroded them. Maybe somebody has more experience than me and could shed a light on it. Well, thank you very much, and till the next.